it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I'm going to be doing a project making these layered tag pockets. And it's a really simple project. I'll be using a couple printables from my shop, and I'll go ahead and just link to those down below. So let's get started. So you're going to need 2 KRAFT envelopes, and I got these on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link to these below as well. And what you're going to do is fold the first one just about like 1/2 inch from the top of the envelope, just like that. And then, oops, I'm shaking my camera a little. I'm going to go ahead and ink around some of the edges right now before we get done, before we start gluing. And I'm going to start by just inking where we folded. And then I'm going to open this up and ink this part. So just basically the parts that you'll see when we're finished are the ones that I'm going to be inking. And I'm also going to go ahead and just fold this top flap backwards and add some ink here as well. There we go. And then this envelope is just going to go on top of the other one, and they're just going to kind of line up. And if you wanted, you could, slide it longer or shorter depending on what your needs are, but I'm going to go ahead and just line it up with the bottom of the envelope beneath it. And then before I secure that, I'm also going to add just a little more ink around this envelope as well. Okay. So now I'm going to add a little bit of glue just to the edge of my folded piece here. And then this will become a pocket. So I'm going to glue as close to the edge as I can get here. And I'll leave this open because that'll become the top of the pocket. And then this will go on top of this envelope, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just glue along the edges and it'll create another pocket. So that'll give us kind of our little cascading pockets. And actually, now that I think about it, I think I would like to put glue in the middle here, and that'll make a stopping point for my next tag, which will make it kind of stick up a little bit further. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put a line right down the middle, and then that'll kind of shorten this pocket so the tag won't go down as far, and that'll give us kind of the layered look that we want. Glue on my table there. All right, and I've got some papers that I printed out. These are from my some rose collage sheets that I have in my shop. And so I printed these at half size, so I printed them 2 to a page, and so they're kind of like cute and small. And I'm going to go ahead and use part of this one for this front pocket here. And I'm not really going to do a whole lot of measuring here. I'm just going to kind of eyeball where I want it to go and kind of fold it. And I'm going to leave a little bit of a border around the outside. And then I'd like to round out the corners too, so I'm going to use my corner rounding punch. And again, I'll put a link to this below if you want to get one for yourself. I like this one because it has choice of small, medium, or large. And so I can choose how big of a rounded corner I want. And I'm going to go ahead and ink the edges of this little guy too. And if you wanted to, you could make this into another pocket for another tag by just gluing the sides and the bottom. But I think I'm going to go ahead and just glue this one down. And then I created these tags from my Faded Roses journal kit, printable. And then this tag is actually from my Shabby Butterfly ephemera pack. So it's a little bit bigger than these other ones. And you just slide your tags in, and then this can go onto a journal page, or you can use it as is. And it's super cute. And there you go. A neat little layered pocket with tags for your journal. Thanks for watching, guys.